Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key. If you are new to my channel, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you will be notified every time that I post a new video. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will be talking all about my piercings. A lot of people ask me a lot of questions on my piercings, on whether they hurt or not, or how bad they hurt. So that's pretty much what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to be going one by one on each of my piercings, talking about how bad they hurt, how long I've had them, how long it took to heal. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this video, and I'm a little hyped today, a little jolly, I guess because it's sunny, and when it's sunny outside, I'm in a good mood. A lot of people also think that I have a lot of piercings, which I really don't think I do, because I've seen a lot of people who have way more piercings than I do. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first piercing that we are going to talk about is the first piercing that I've ever got in my entire life. So it's this piercing right here, which is the first piercing. Like, that's obviously the first piercing that anyone gets when they first get their ears pierced. And I don't remember anything about this piercing. I obviously got it when I was like a baby, so I don't remember anything about this first piercing. The second piercing is this one right here. And I got this piercing when I was in the 6th grade. I got my second ear piercing when I was in 6th grade. I was 11 years old at the time. But yeah, I got my second ear piercing when I was 11 years old. I got my second ear piercing at Walmart. It didn't hurt at all. It was just really much like a little pinch, like a little sting or whatever. Now, my third ear piercing, which is right here. It's kind of like in the cartilage area, but I got this ear piercing when I turned 17. This piercing on my 17th birthday, and I actually got this one done at Walmart too. Now, this one didn't hurt that bad. This one did not hurt that bad either. But I did have some complications with this one. When I got them pierced, this one went in just fine. This one, I'm not really sure. When she pierced it, she said something about she had to re-pierce it. The ear was already sore. So when she pierced it again, it felt even worse. And then sometimes this one would still hurt sometimes. But even though they look like they're in the same exact spot, they're really not, because this one is more like on the soft part of my ear, and this is more on the hard part of my ear. So this one really hurts so bad. So this one did hurt way more than this one, and I can't remember how long. Honestly, I don't even remember how long it took these to heal. It pretty much healed the same amount of time as any other ear piercing, just that this one took slightly a little bit longer than this one. The next piercing that I'm going to be talking about is my nose piercing. I've had my nose piercing for 2 years. I went to the tattoo shop to get my nose pierced. It didn't hurt that bad, and when I got it pierced, the guy was like, oh, it's gonna be really quick, blah blah blah. Got my nose pierced. I was literally able to feel the needle go through every layer of my nose. But other than that, it's not that bad. But as far as my nose piercing, when I went to get it pierced, I was told to clean it with antibacterial soap such as Dow, which I did anyways, because I was washing my face with Dow soap at the time. So I would just clean my face and my nose piercing all in one. And then I was told to also put A&D treatment on my nose, which I did not do. And that was pretty much it. It was fine. I changed my piercing, I think right at the time that I was able to, around like 6+ weeks is when I changed my nose piercing. Next piercing that I'm going to be talking about is my tragus piercing. I got my tragus pierced like almost 2 months ago. I wanted a tragus piercing for a really long time, and I finally got it, and I freaking love it. I feel like ear piercings just express who I am. Like, I really love ear piercings. I got this done at the tattoo shop, the same place that I got my nose pierced. I got my tragus pierced also. This was kind of the same pain as my nose piercing. If you have your cartilage pierced, it might be the same pain as it would be if you got your cartilage pierced, but I don't really know. But this part, it seems like it's a tad bit harder than this right here, but I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it was really quick. And I didn't get them one at a time. I actually got it at the same time. Actually, I forgot to mention like the prices of my piercing. My ear piercings were $20. Well, ear piercings are free, you just pay for the earring. My nose piercing was $20 at the tattoo shop. My tragus piercing was $30 for each ear. But I was like, I really wanted a tragus piercing, so I paid a total of $60 to get both of my ears pierced. So it was $30 for this piercing, $30 for this piercing. As far as cleaning, it's pretty much the same. As far as washing it with antibacterial soap is what I currently do now, and that's pretty much it. I was supposed to put A&D treatment on it as well, just like my nose piercing, but like I said, I don't do that either. And as far as healing, it's still healing, so I haven't took it out and changed the earring. It's really new because I just got it, so it's still healing. It's not infected or anything. It's not swollen. It looks pretty normal. Then last but not least, my septum piercing. It's fake. This is fake. This is a faux septum piercing. This is not real. And I just like wearing it because I was curious to know as to what I would look like with the septum piercing. But a lot of people think that it's real, especially my family. They really thought that I went to get my nose pierced right there. But I think it's kind of cute though, so I don't know. I don't know if I would ever really get my septum pierced or not. Like, what y'all think? Should I? I think I should just keep wearing this little fake one because I don't know if I would really want to get my septum pierced for real. That was all about my piercing. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video, especially if you are thinking about going to get your ears pierced or your nose pierced or getting a tragus piercing. Hopefully this video was helpful. I just wanted to talk about my piercings because a lot of people think I have a lot of piercings, but I don't really think I do. Also, if you have any comments or anything about my piercings that I didn't really mention, then make sure to comment down below and I will respond in the comment section. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.